With the rise of Industry 4.0 and the growing demand for mass customisation, manufacturing facilities must become more flexible than ever before. No two products are identical. Each is tailored to the specific needs of the customer. As a result, every step in the manufacturing process must be capable of adapting to variations. To enable this level of flexibility, seamless data flow is essential. Smart components across the factory floor must work in perfect coordination.
This demonstrator showcases how 5G wireless telecommunication technology powers smart manufacturing environments. Here, the Dassault Systèmes DELMIA Apriso manufacturing execution system connects autonomous ground vehicles, CNC machines, sensors, and operator instruction panels, orchestrating the production process with precision. Operators receive real-time context-specific instructions, ensuring they have the right information exactly when they need it. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence constantly monitors the process for potential errors. Together, these technologies dramatically improve the rate of right first-time products and enable high-accuracy lead time predictions, driving the future of manufacturing. This demonstrator showcases multiple benefits of 5G in manufacturing and sets the starting point for self-orchestrating, autonomous, and efficient manufacturing, integrating complex and automated systems.
At Dassault Systèmes, we're proud to support the FoFoRan project through our 3D Experience platform and DELMIA Apriso MES. One of the key outcomes has been enabling machine integration and process interlocking, which significantly reduces operator intervention and variability, ultimately lowering the risk of errors on the shop floor. Through the use of traceability and genealogy data, we ensure that accurate contextual information is captured exactly when it's needed. This not only strengthens regulatory compliance, but also meets the stringent demands of customer requirements. We've also worked closely with the AMRC to develop digital work instructions with the 3D Experience platform. These instructions help simplify the way operators receive and follow guidance, improving process adherence and consistency. At the same time, they contribute to building a complete digital thread, ensuring full traceability and visibility across the production lifecycle.